Select your favorite character. Lisa. Welcome to the big race. Answer the questions correctly to win.
3, 2, 1, go!
What time is it? 5 o'clock. Incredible! Ooh, the race is very close. What time is it? 12:30. Incredible! You're in first place. What time is it? 7 o'clock. Incredible! Select the correct time. 11 o'clock. Amazing!
Yeah!
And the winner is Lisa.